I started helping out with various different bits of things probably back in about 2003. Over time I've been involved in helping out on gate to selling golden goals. I've been dealing with the kit since then. Kitman role is a voluntary role and I spend probably 20 plus hours a week here dealing with the kit. Obviously it depends who we're playing, whether it's home or away, as to how long it is. Long distance away games takes a lot more time, whereas at home there's more to do, but it probably doesn't take quite as long. When I started helping out doing various bits of things, the club were £600,000 or £700,000 in debt and struggling. The board managed to clear that debt and also get the club promoted. Probably 7 years or so ago, we had a couple of bad seasons. I actually started helping out with the kit in the worst of the seasons when we got relegated from the Conference North, but then the current manager came in and since then we've got promoted back into the Conference North and now we're a full-time football club in the National League, so it's a great achievement. So this year in the trophy we've got to the semi-final. We managed to beat Curzon and then we won on penalties against Wrexham and since beat Bracknell and York to get to the semi-final. Now we get the pleasure of playing Halifax here. In late February, went to Barnet and one of the players forgot the boots. I was the only person who had boots the same size, so he ended up using my boots. He came on as sub and scored our fourth goal in the win at Barnet, wearing them. Since, another player, his boots split at York in the warm-up, so he borrowed the left boot. He didn't score unfortunately, but we won, so worthwhile.